One of the things that I really have benefited from is my communication. Whenever I'm navigating a conflict or a obstacle or just any challenge that I'm facing in my professional career, I find that being friendly and receptive and outgoing really has been received well, especially when I could politely communicate my preferences and my desires with people. For the most part, when you ask for something, reasonable, nobody's going to tell you no, especially when they know that you're going above and beyond to perform your service. So definitely, I think that that goes so far, especially when it comes in, calling in favors or things like that when you need it. It really helps